Video shows how to add social media icon links to Shopify footer and header, and add more social media icons.
Enter Shopify backend online store theme customize. Click Theme Settings. We can enter some social media links here, including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. If you have these social media accounts, you can enter your social media links. Here I directly use these official websites. After entering the link, the corresponding social media icon will be displayed in the footer. Click Announcement bar. Select Show Icons on Desktop. Then, these social media icons will be shown on the header. Click Footer. You can select Show or Not Show social media icons on the footer. Then save. Refresh the web page. These social icons are shown on the header and footer.
But the default social accounts only have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. If you want to add other account links, such as your Amazon store link, Walmart store link, LinkedIn, and so on,
you need to do some changes. Edit theme code.
We need to edit code of 5 files and add social media icon file.
For example, I want to add a Amazon store link. Add icon Amazon Liquid on snippets file folder.
The 5 files are social icons liquid, and default.json, and default.schema.json, settings scheme.json, and settings data.json. Now, let's see the Facebook social media icon file icon Facebook liquid.
This is Facebook icon SVG code. Now we need to get Amazon icon SVG code. Go to flat icon.com. Search Amazon.
Select the icon shape like other social media icons on our Shopify online store.
OK. Select this one. Download the PNG image. Then use Convert.io code to convert the Amazon PNG image to SVG format. Download the SVG file. Then open the SVG file on a browser and check the webpage source code. Copy the code. Paste it on icon Amazon Liquid. we can delete the code before SVG. Then save. Then, edit the 5 files.
Find a social media, such as Facebook, and add the same code parts like Facebook. Just edit the name from Facebook to Amazon. We also add the Amazon code parts on the other 4 files.
Don't forget to save these files. Refresh the web page. Now, you can see the Amazon here. Enter your Amazon store link here. But the image size is too large. Set the SVG width and height value to be auto. And add class icon. Save the file. Save the settings here. The Amazon icon is also added. Refresh the front web page. The Amazon icon link is added.
If you need to add other custom social media icons, just add a icon file and edit code of the 5 files. Click the social media icons. The browser will go to the corresponding web page.
Okay. The video is over.